Hello, I'm Dr. Hendrickson from Hillchester Hospital for Animals, and we're on our laboratory excursion today. We're going to take you for a tour through our in-house laboratory. The purpose for an in-house laboratory is so that we can diagnose conditions in your pet on a very rapid basis in minutes instead of having to send material out to an outside lab, which can take overnight or even sometimes days to get results back. When treatment is critical, an in-house laboratory will allow us to start treatment on your animal as soon as possible. Now we're starting over here in this corner, and I have an incubator, and we use lab samples such as urine, where we incubate the urine for bacterial contamination and diagnose bacterial infections. We have a very nice microscope. We're able to look at blood smears and tissue samples using that, fecal samples, so we can figure out what parasites your pet might have, and this comes in useful on a daily basis. Now over on this side we have electronic equipment used to evaluate your pet's blood. Let's see, on this side we also have some stains over here that we use to stain the blood films. CBC analyzer. This tells us the kinds and amounts of cells that the patient has circulating in the blood. The amount of red cells is necessary to know whether or not we're dealing with anemia. The white cells tell us all about inflammation, things like leukemia. The next instrument we have is a blood analyzer. This machine is used to determine whether kidney function is adequate, liver function is adequate. It tells us about things like calcium and protein in the blood, and is very useful for diagnosing acute and chronic conditions involving blood chemistry. And then finally, this instrument is an instrument to determine electrolytes and blood gas analyzers. Electrolytes are very important for the balance of the body and for kidney function. Gas analyzers tell us a lot about pH and balance of the acid base in the blood. So that's a tour of the lab.